18th, 2025, Benue State once again returned to the path of political crisis when the State House of Assembly, led by the Speaker, Mr. Andona Daju, acting on a letter from Governor Heinz Italia, removed Justice Maurice Nkembese as the Chief Judge over allegations of corruption and abuse of office. The removal also led to the suspension of 13 lawmakers from the ruling All Progressives Congress and some opposition People's Democratic Party. These elders of the APC Benue Northwest Senatorial District and loyal to the SGF have come to condemn the actions of the State Assembly.
The purported removal of the Chief Judge of Benue State by the Benue State House of Assembly is not only a breach of constitutional provisions and legal protocol, but is also a dangerous attempt to round down the arm of government that is the hope of the common man, while eroding democratic values. The independence of the judiciary is the cornerstone of our democracy.
Speaking on the failure of the Assembly to work within its constitutional guaranteed powers, the elders warned that the Assembly has no right to suspend any lawmaker elected by a constituency to represent them.
All members of the House of Assembly are elected by their constituents. They are not under the Speaker. They are not under the majority leader. They, in turn, elected them to be their leaders. And it is wrong for a presiding officer of a House of Assembly to just sit and decide that you don't come to the Assembly, don't come for sittings. Who are you?
A former lawmaker, while appealing to his colleagues, urges the State Assembly to rescind its decision removing the Chief Judge and lift the suspension of the 13 lawmakers opposed to the CJ's removal.
The NJC, the NBA, the National Assembly, and other well-meaning members of society have risen in condemnation of that exercise. I want to advise my colleagues in the Assembly not to be ashamed. They can retract and retrace their steps. They were voted by various constituencies to represent them. They should now feel what's the pulse of their constituents. What have they said in this matter? Are they happy? The answer is no.
Although the Zone 4 police headquarters in Makurdi has taken over the security for the judicial complex, where youth freely moved against 17 judges last week, the political atmosphere remains uncertain till date.